Sony from Oxford Military High Secondary School, KKLC. I am very glad to meet you all once again. I am very happy to be here to share a few words about the legend and inspiring personality who fought for independence against Britishers and got success. He is a other than a superhero for us with great preaching and sorted knowledge. Can you guess who is he? Hey, he is our great Babuji. Come, let's go to meet him. Hello, my dear cuties. I am your Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. My childhood. I was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. When the British started its rule in Mother India, I went to England for my law studies. At the time, I made 3 vows to my mother. I won't eat flesh. I won't drink alcohol. I look upon other women as my mother or sister. In my older life, I studied law and became barrister. I saw our people suffering and starving under British rule. It believed in simple living and high thinking. I thought that real India lived in more than 5 lakhs villages. Uplift in my tour on 20th October 1930 in Mysore, I met many poor villagers and I found upon inquiry that did not know who ruled Mysore. They simply said some god ruled it. So I decided to save our people from Britishers through freedom. Political life. Gopala Krishna Gokhale is my political guru. I saw many of people did not wear proper dress. So I decided to wear dhoti only. I showed India and the world the path of truth and non-violence. I believe that it was truth alone that prevailed in the end. India real emancipation depended on Swadeshi boycott of foreign goods of use of khadi, encouragement to village and cottage industries. I started Satyagraha movement, non-cooperation movement, non-violence movement, and Quit India movement to oppose the British rule. I began to work day and night to the freedom of an country. Thousands of our people starved, beaten, ill-treated and killed, but they realized true to me. After the combined efforts of me and my great leaders are fruit in 15th August 1947, and people deflected the British Empire not with swords or guns, but my means of strange and utterful new weapons of true and ahimsa. Subhash Chandra Bose was the first person to call me as father of our nation. I was assassinated at 30th June 30th January 1948. My birthday 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Every year this day is also commemorated as International Day of Non-Violence. World Violence. Conclusion. From my life you learn in a gentle way you can shake the world. The best way to find yourself is the lose yourself in the surface of others. There is a path to peace. Peace is the path. Thank you.